Richard Limits. Switch off, turn it on.
How do I do that?
It's a little switch right there. Okay, good. Right on. That's kill switch off. Now it's on. So the only time you ever start a bike is when that neutral light is on. If that neutral light was in first gear and you tried to start it, you would have fucking rolled forward a whole bunch. So remember, you can always pull the clutch in to stop. Are you okay? Let's see. Let's see? Is it just a nosebleed?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, fuck. I'll tell you what, leave that, come with me. Let's see. Look up. You're fine, it's just a nosebleed. Inside nosebleed. Fucking yeah.